According to the bank's procurement regulations for IPF borrowers, a General Procurement Notice (GPN) is required for all procurements financed by the bank. The borrower is required to prepare a GPN for their project, using the bank's template. Then submit to the bank via STEP for review. Upon the bank's approval, the GPN will be published on UNDB Online and the bank's website. It must be published before the borrower starts any procurement activity under a project. For projects with multi-implementing agencies, one agency shall be assigned to do the publication.
The current GPN template for projects subject to the bank's procurement regulations for IPF borrowers is available on the bank's website, www.worldbank.org web link. Once browsing this address, you will visit the Procurement for Projects and Programs page. Select the link for projects after July 1, 2016 to go into the page named New Procurement Framework and Regulations for Projects after July 1, 2016. Scroll down until you see the link General Procurement Notice, GPN, template for projects using the procurement regulations for IPF borrowers. Click the link to download the template.
The link to the GPN template for guidelines projects is also available on STEP. In STEP homepage, click the reference icon on the top bar. You will see the link Procurement Notice Templates under the tab Templates. Click the link, then you will be taken to the Project Procurement Notices Templates page on the bank's website where templates including General Procurement Notice, Invitation for Pre-Qualification, Invitation for Bids or Specific Procurement Notice, and Expression of Interest are posted. Click the relevant link for the template you want to download.
After finalizing the GPN for your project, you may wonder how to upload it in STEP and send to bank. Let's see how to do it. In STEP home page, select the project you want to work with on the My Projects widget to go to the Project Details page. On this page, move to General Procurement Notice widget. Then click the button Create. There are two tabs in General Procurement Notice page, Datasheet and Review. In Datasheet, complete the GPN form by selecting the language of notices, either English, Spanish, French or Portuguese. In the section of full official text of the notice, copy the GPN version prepared using the bank's template. Click the drop-down button to check and update the contact information and any additional information. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. The information of the STEP user who is assigned with the role of point of contact is automatically displayed. However, you can make any changes that are necessary. Once the form is completed, click Save to save the information or click Continue to move to the tab Review. You will receive a message Details saved successfully. Click OK to continue.
Review tab lets you know what you can do next. In this case, you will see Send to Bank, which means you will send a review request to the bank. The email body is open for your entry. Your message will be automatically sent to task team leaders of the project, copied other bank team members and STEP users from your agency and PU, if any, who have a role of receive emails. You can add another addressee in CC box if needed. Type your message to the bank in the message box. Then upload attachments if appropriate. To do so, click from your computer. Then select the documents to be uploaded and click Open. Click icon of Reload this page on the standard bar. Refresh the page. When the status turns from Upload in Progress to Uploaded, the document is uploaded successfully. To delete an uploaded attachment, click the cross icon on this document. Click Send to send the GPN to bank for review. A confirmation mail sent successfully appears. Click OK to close the message.
As you see, the status of GPN and Project Details page is under review. Click View icon to go back to GPN page and Review tab. Whilst the bank has not started reviewing the GPN, the agency has the option to recall the review request. In the Review tab, you see the allowed action of Recall Review. Then the section Recall Review from Bank. After sending a message to the bank team about your recall action, you recall the GPN to your side to make any modifications that are needed. Resend to bank for review when you have completed a revision, using the same step as outlined above.
If the submitted GPN is returned by the bank, you need to make the changes as requested by the bank. Click Edit icon to go back to GPN page and revise the notice, then resend it to the bank for no objection. On Review tab, as you see, the Review Actions section records all communications between the agency and bank in chronological order. On each message, click View Details to see the details and attachments, if any.
Once approved by the bank, the GPN status changes into Published. The View History icon on the right corner will take you to a new screen with the GPN version history. You will receive a confirmation from UMDB online via email.